Top 5 Facts about the Brain. The brain is part of your body's central nervous system. It's the most complicated part of your body. It has the ability to send and receive an enormous amount of information. Because it is so complex, there are some things doctors and scientists don't completely understand yet about it. This also means that there are some amazing things you may not know about your brain. But before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 1. Your brain has about 100 billion neurons. The human brain is a remarkable organ, containing an estimated 100 billion neurons. These neurons work together to form a complex network that processes information, allowing us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. Each neuron is capable of forming new connections with other neurons, known as synapses, enabling the brain to change and adapt in response to new experiences and information. This neuroplasticity allows us to learn and develop throughout our lives. The different regions of the brain, such as the frontal lobe responsible for decision-making and higher-level thinking, and the occipital lobe, responsible for processing visual information, work together to produce our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. The neurons are interconnected through a network of axons and dendrites, transmitting signals through electrical impulses and passing them along to other neurons. The brain also contains glial cells which provide support and protection for the neurons, helping to ensure their proper functioning. In conclusion, the 100 billion neurons in the human brain are essential for our ability to process information and experience the world around us, making it a remarkable and complex structure. 2. Left brain and right brain dominance is a myth. The notion of left brain and right brain dominance is a popular myth that has been widely perpetuated for many years. The idea is that certain personality traits and abilities are associated with one half of the brain or the other, with the left brain being responsible for logical, analytical thinking and the right brain for creative, intuitive thinking. However, this idea is not supported by scientific evidence. The truth is that both hemispheres of the brain are involved in a variety of functions, and the level of dominance by one hemisphere or the other can vary depending on the task at hand. For example, both hemispheres work together when reading, with the left brain responsible for processing language and the right brain responsible for processing visual information. Similarly, both hemispheres are involved in decision-making, with the left brain being responsible for analyzing information and the right brain being responsible for processing emotional information. In conclusion, the idea of left brain and right brain dominance is a myth and not supported by scientific evidence. Both hemispheres of the brain are involved in a wide range of functions and work together in a highly integrated way. The human brain is a complex and remarkable structure, and the idea of left brain and right brain dominance oversimplifies its true nature. 3. We don't just use 10% of our brains. It is a common myth that we only use 10% of our brain. This notion is simply not true and has no scientific basis. In reality, the human brain is a highly active and complex organ that is involved in a wide range of functions and processes, such as perception, movement, speech, decision-making, and even our thoughts and emotions. Furthermore, damage to even a small part of the brain can have significant impacts on our abilities, further refuting the idea that we only use a small fraction of our brain. In conclusion, the myth that we only use 10% of our brain is simply not true. The human brain is a highly active and complex organ that is involved in a wide range of functions and processes, and the entire brain is utilized and active throughout the day. 4. Not all brain cells are the same. It is a common misconception that all brain cells are the same and serve the same purpose. However, the truth is that there are different types of brain cells, each with unique properties and functions. Moreover, different types of neurons have different structures and functions. For example, some neurons are specialized for processing sensory information, while others are specialized for controlling movement. In conclusion, not all brain cells are the same. Different types of brain cells, including neurons and glial cells, have unique properties and functions, and play a critical role in the functioning of the human brain. The diversity of brain cells helps to ensure the complex and sophisticated processing of information and communication that takes place within the brain. 5. Hemineglect in stroke patients affects memory too. Hemineglect is a condition that can occur after a stroke, in which an individual fails to respond to or acknowledge stimuli on one side of their body or visual field. While it is commonly associated with physical neglect, such as ignoring or disregarding objects on one side of their environment, research has shown that hemineglect can also have an impact on memory. Studies have shown that individuals with hemineglect have difficulty encoding and retrieving information from the neglected side of their environment, leading to difficulties in remembering objects, events, or other stimuli that are located on that side. This is thought to be due to a disconnection between the areas of the brain responsible for processing visual information and the areas responsible for memory formation and recall. In conclusion, hemineglect can have a significant impact on memory, affecting an individual's ability to encode and retrieve information and leading to difficulties in spatial memory. These impacts can have a major effect on an individual's daily life and quality of life, making it important for individuals with hemineglect to receive appropriate rehabilitation and support. Did you learn something new about brain that you didn't know before? We hope you did. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing ideas, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.